The Hawaiian Miles loyalty program, offered by a U.S.-based airline, allows members to earn miles with each flight, which can later be redeemed for customized needs. To join, one simply needs to submit their name, date of birth, phone number, and address. There are several ways to utilize Hawaiian Miles. They can be used to purchase flight tickets with the airline, as well as with partner airlines such as JetBlue Airways, Japan Airlines, and Virgin Australia, for round-trip tickets. Additionally, miles can be used to rent or hire cars, or to book hotel rooms in over 300,000 hotels worldwide, with the option to cover full expenses or receive a discounted price with a cash top-up. Miles can also be used to upgrade a ticket, but only for flights with the airline. Furthermore, with an affiliated credit card, miles can be transferred to another cardholder as a gift. Overall, these are the key ways to redeem Hawaiian Miles, providing users with a range of options to customize their travel experiences.